Live from Veterans Field in Chatham, it's Saturday Night Baseball on the Cape Cod Baseball League Network. Tonight, the Bourne Braves travel to Chatham looking for their fourth straight victory. Puckett from the stretch, Solak leads off at first. First pitch, Dusnak shows bunt, pushes it up the first base line. Tough play for Will Craig, flips on to Puckett, and it's just in time to get Dusnak over at first, but a successful sacrifice as Solak moves up to second. 0-2 pitch, chopped up the middle, tough play for Dusnak. Doesn't field it on the short hop. Here comes Knapp around the third. The throw to the plate is not in time. Walker in the right-handed batter's box, whirls the black bat. Payoff pitch, Walker slaps it on the ground, left side of the infield. Spinning play from Zanetti, his throw on to first, scooped up by Will Craig. And it's in time to get Walker for out number one. Robson sold 21 bags this season for the Mississippi State Bulldogs. He's off on the first pitch. It's a fastball low and away. The throw down to second is high and not in time, and Jacob Robson moves into scoring position. 1-0 pitch, breaking ball. There goes Robson down to third, and he's in there with his second stolen base on consecutive pitches. 2-2 the count. Puckett set. He delivers, fastball hit on the ground, right back up the middle, under the glove of the pitcher Puckett, and that's an RBI single for Nick Solak as the Braves cut the deficit to 2-1. 0-2 pitch on his way, breaking ball, could be two, out to the second base, and Solak. He flips to Dusnak for one, back to first, in time! 4-6-3 double play. Nice throw on the back end from Camden Dusnak, the shortstop.
As Fernandez digs back in, Puckett gets a sign and he sets. And the 2-2, there goes Jolks, swing and a ground ball through the right side, a base hit. Jolks will head to third, no throw from Persico. And the Braves are in business, first and third, one out here in the fourth. The 1-1 pitch, Robson swings, it hits it on the ground towards short. Short fields it, throws to first, and it is not in time as the ball skips away. Coming in to score is Fernandez. And the Braves able to score 2 runs on a ground ball to short. Short gets off the bag. And the pitch, swing and a ground ball to second. Could be two. Solak over to Dusnak, fires it to first. It's a twin killer, 4-6-3 double play. The second one that Smoyer has rolled today. Hit a ground ball that eventually scored 2 runs on the air. He swings and lifts one out towards center field. Coming on his Knapp. He dives, but is unable to make the catch. It'll be a one-out single for Walker. He's on for the second time tonight. His first pitch, a breaking ball, and it skips away back to the backstop. Garzillo's going to be able to score standing up. An insurance run on the scoreboard on the wild pitch. 2-0 pitch. Dusnak swings and hits it through the wickets of the third baseman down the left field line. Making the turn as Dusnak will put on the brakes. We'll see how they score it. They'll bring in another run for the Braves. That ball was smoked off the bat of Cam Dusnak. Williams, 1-2 pitch. There goes Dusnak. Got a great jump swing and a line drive sent into center field for a base hit. Dusnak sprinting hard towards third. He'll stop there. And Bolt picks up a base hit, his first of the night.
Williams set. He winds and kicks. Galliano hits one high in the air, deep left center field. Mondu racing toward the track. He won't get there. It one hops the 357 sign. Humphreys being waved around third base. The throw into the cutoff man isn't fielded, and Humphreys will score with ease on the RBI double from Charles Galliano. Williams set. He deals Garzillo. Hits a fastball high in the air, left field. Mondu circles under it. He makes the catch. On the play, Galliano tags. The throw in is late, and it's 7-2 Braves on the sac fly off the bat of Mike Garzillo. Payoff pitch yet again. Cut on a miss. Strike 3. Ross Vance with back-to-back strikeouts here in the 8th. 3-1 pitch. Humphreys sends one high in the air, deep left center field. Knapp back. He's at the track. Looks up and it's gone. Reed Humphreys, a light tower shot, and it's 8-2 Braves. 0-2 the count now. 2 outs. Anglers down to their final strike with the Braves leading 8-2. The pitch. Fastball hit on the ground to the second baseman. Solak gloves it. Spin throw to first in time. The win streak moves to 4 games for the Bourne Braves. They improved to 4-6-1, and they win it by a final score of 8-2 over the Chatham Anglers.